like this.
Yeah.
The glasses, the hat, incognito.
gahunda murizi.
Vitesse.
Ndabona sha.
Uratubona. Bya biryo birahari hari.
I like.
You have to stay now.
Yeah, okay.
It's welcome.
It's my pleasure.
For staying. I was saying about it in the last time. So what time you go there? You go there, they can you
No, it's fine.